It's quite raining this morning and I'm on my way to my working site. I'm not sure whether I can walk or not today. So now I'm recording all these videos through my cell phone. It is the raining condition in somewhere in Samarahan area. I just go past Tambirat village, and next I'll be going past Sambe. And for your information, this place is actually a pit swamp, so salt water came very quickly from the canal and from the river. Mostly people here they live in what we call village houses that built on stilts. I'm recording this video because I want to show you all that the rain is really terrible today. It is a heavy rain, heavy downpour. So I need to drive my car slowly because the road is very slippery. Ever since the rain started, since December, I guess, there are so many accidents occurred here because of the slippery roads, reckless driving, and etc. that is related to no safety. So now I have to drive slowly because I want to record this moment when I'm driving. I'm on my way to my construction site somewhere in Batu Plai Road. It is a 1.5 hour drive from Kuching, from the capital city. It looks a bit clearer there. Maybe it is not raining, or maybe it just stopped raining somewhere in my construction site. But now here in Samarahan is heavy downpour, so I need to drive carefully while recording this video. So here it's a little bit rainy. Maybe the rain almost subsided, but maybe not yet. I like to record all these videos because I want to show to my viewers what I do in my everyday lives. That is a life of a YouTuber. Maybe I am just a newbie, but I try to make my video as good as possible. And sorry, I'm not really fluent in my English, in my spoken English, than my writing, because I've been leaving school for, I think it is almost 11 years since my Form 5 in my secondary school. So now I'm making my own video and try to narrate my video in English so that I can improve my English more. And so look at all these motorcyclists. All the motorcyclists sit down at the bus stop while waiting for the rain to subside. Or some of them were preparing or wearing their raincoat so that they didn't get wet while riding their motorbikes in the rain. Just now when we go through Tambirat, it rained heavily, and so is Samarahan Bridge. If this area covered with flood, all those wild animals, wild creature will go there. Maybe will be swimming here and there. The thing that they're afraid most is crocodiles, because here is saltwater pit swamp that is quite near the river, quite near big river, where saltwater crocodiles live. Okay, that's all for me for my video. So I want to continue my driving. I want to drive safely so that I can arrive safely in my site. That's all from me. Thank you.